All right, let's talk about soft serve ice cream. Today, we're diving into what it really takes to serve up that perfect swirl for your customers. We're going to look at a whole line of commercial machines, all currently on sale, and break down the power, the features, and the options you need to know about. We've all seen it, right? That perfect, gravity-defying soft serve swirl. It looks so simple, but behind that cone is some serious engineering, all designed to make sure you get that same amazing quality every single time, even when there's a line out the door. So, how did they pull it off? Well, the secret is in the machine. To really understand what these machines can do, we have to start with the engine. We're going to look at the core performance specs that this entire lineup is built on, because this is where the magic really happens. Let's kick things off with a big number, 2,200 watts. Now, that is a serious amount of power. In the world of soft serve, more wattage means speed and consistency. It means the machine gets cold fast, and more importantly, it stays cold, making sure every single serving has that perfect creamy texture, even when you're totally slammed. So what does all that power actually get you in the real world? How about this? 30. That's 30 ice creams served continuously, without a single break. Just imagine that midday rush. This machine is built to just keep on going, cone after cone. For any business, that is a huge relief. And if you zoom out and look at the whole hour, that continuous flow adds up to a production capacity of 20 to 25 liters per hour. That's enough to serve literally hundreds of customers. This isn't just a machine, it's a production powerhouse for any shop or cafe. And that powerhouse is built with some really reliable, industry-standard parts. We're talking compressors from brands you trust, like Panasonic, and the efficient R410A refrigerant gas. So it's not just about raw power. It's about having a machine that's built to last and be dependable day in and day out. Okay, so we know they're all powerful. They're all workhorses. But they're not all identical. So now, let's compare the different models and help you figure out which one is the right fit for your space and, of course, your budget. This is really the key question, isn't it? When you're looking at a lineup like this, you want to know what are the real differences. So let's just put them all side by side and make this decision super clear. So take a look at this chart. What's the first thing that jumps out at you? The hoppers are the same, 2 7-liter ones. The cylinders are the same, 2 2-liter ones. The power is the same, the production is the same. The main takeaway here is that the core engine is identical across the board. The real choice comes down to price and physical size. So here's how it all breaks down. You've got 3 models that are currently on sale for $1,250. These are your more compact countertop units, perfect if space is tight. Then, for $1,450, you have the bigger, floor-standing model. It's got the exact same power, just, a more commanding presence. So the choice really just comes down to your space and your budget. All right, so beyond the raw power and the size, what makes a machine great to use every day? It's the smart features, the stuff that saves you time and money. Let's dig into the elements that give these machines that wow factor and make them so easy to use. The whole experience is designed to be just effortless for you and for your customers. It starts with a nice, attractive mirror display that looks great, but the real magic is what's inside, with features like a Keep Fresh system to cut down on waste and a built-in air pump to make the ice cream taste even better. You can even get creative with 3D nozzles, and the whole thing is designed for super simple maintenance. Let's just focus on this for a second. The Keep Fresh system is an absolute game changer. Instead of having to empty and clean out the entire machine every single night, which is a huge chore and wastes product, this system keeps the mix perfectly fresh overnight. That is a massive saving in time, money, and just general hassle. And then there's this little gem, the built-in air pump. It does 2 amazing things. First, it whips more air into the mix. They call that overrun. And that's what creates that super light, creamy texture that people love. And second, since air is free, a higher overrun means you use less actual ice cream mix in every serving, which directly saves you money. Better taste and lower costs? That's a win-win. And the smart design just keeps on going. You've got durable stainless steel parts, a desk cover to keep things clean, and my favorite part, the automated functions. There's an auto-clean function to make cleanup a breeze, and a low mix alarm that tells you exactly when to refill. It's all about making the operator's life so much easier. Okay, so you've picked your model, and you're loving all the features, but what about making it really fit your brand? For our final section, let's look at how you can take one of these machines and truly make it your own. This is such a critical final step. You're not just buying a piece of equipment, you're investing in something your customers see every day.
And these machines can be totally customized with your branding, from simple stickers to your full company logo. You can even get the voltage configured for your specific setup.
I mean, that big front panel is prime real estate for advertising. Putting your logo right there transforms the machine from just a generic appliance into a branded part of your business. It reinforces your identity with every single cone you sell. It really becomes your machine. So when you put it all together, the power, the choice of models at these great sale prices, the smart features that save you money, and the branding options, it's a really complete package designed for profit. The only question left is your business ready to start serving up a little bit of joy?